Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to do SAM end of module project 2 Excel module 3 performing calculations with formulas and functions. Basically this is the third module of Excel section of this course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step so that you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Excel, Word, PowerPoint or Access assignments, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So now we will start this project. So first thing to do is to download the materials for this assignment or for this project. So there are two files, one is the instruction file and other one is the solution file or start file. So I will download both files first. So I have downloaded the file. So I will open the instruction file now. So new perspectives Excel 365/2021 module 3 end of module project 2. And the title of the assignment is Sand Hills Sand River Water District. That is the title for this assignment, and we are supposed to perform calculations with formulas and functions. So now getting started with the assignment, we are supposed to download and open this Excel workbook, that is NPEX 365 2021 end of module 3 project 2. So I have already downloaded that file, and you can download this file from your course dashboard. That is the Excel workbook. So you can see new perspectives Excel 365/2021 module 3 and a module project 2 Sand Hills Sand River Water District. So basically this is third module of Excel section. So this is the file that we're going to use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Excel workbook, and we will make this Excel workbook in the final form for the submission. So all questions will be solved in this Excel workbook. So I suggest you to download this Excel workbook first, then we can start doing the assignment. So I have downloaded, and you can download this from your course dashboard. So there is nothing else to do in getting started section of the assignment, because getting started section of the assignment is just about downloading the files. So I have already downloaded the file. Now we will move to main part of the assignment, that is project steps to complete this assignment. So these are the steps or question to solve. So total steps to solve this assignment are 13. So we are supposed to solve 13 questions to get done with this assignment or with this project. So I will solve step by step, and you are just supposed to follow me if you want to get this done for you. So now let's start doing the question. I will start doing the question from step 1, and you are supposed to follow me. Ying Chu is an intern with the Sand Hills Sand River Water District. Ying has collected data on precipitation and reservoir storage and wants to use Excel to perform some analysis on her data. So the thing to do is switch to 2024 water projection worksheet. In cell C5, insert today function to record the current date. So first we are supposed to move to 2024 water projection worksheet. Then we will go to cell C5, and we are supposed to show the current date that we can show by using the today function. So for this I will use the today function and press enter. So now you can see that we got the today date in cell C5 of this worksheet by using the today function. So that is all about step number 1. So we are done with first step of the assignment. Now let's move to second step. In cell J4, create a formula using the month function. Now we will go to cell J4 and we are supposed to create a formula using the month function to display the numerical month based on the date in cell C4. So we will go to cell J4 now and we are supposed to show the month based on the numerical date given in cell C4. So for here we will use month function, double click on that and select cell C4. So month should be September, that is 9. Okay, so we got the month number based on the date given in cell C4 by using the month function. Okay, and that is all about step number 2. So we are done with second step of this assignment. So now let's do step number 3. In cell J5, create a formula without using a function that subtracts the value in cell J4 from number 12. So we will go to cell J5 and we are supposed to subtract the values in cell J4 from the number 12. So we will type equal sign, then type 12 minus the value in cell J4. So we will get the result, that is 3. Okay, that is a simple step to do. Now let's do step number 4. And step number 4 is use the values in the range C9 up to D9 to extend the list of year to range E9 up to G9. So C9 and D9 has the list of year. So we are supposed to extend this list of year up to cell G9, this one. So for this we will select these 2 years and then we will use the fill handle, this handle, to drag it to right up to cell G9 and we will leave it here so that we can get the list of year up to cell G9. So we got 2022, 2023 and 2024. So we have completed the list of year up to cell G9 as required in step number 4. So we have completed 4 steps of this assignment. Now we are going to do step number 5. Use the values in the range B10 up to B11 to extend the list of reservoir number to the range B12 up to B15. So B12, B10 and B11 has the number of reservoir and we are supposed to extend this list up to B15. So we will select these 2 number of reservoir, use the fill handle to drag it down up to B15 so that we can get the number of reservoir in this list. We got the number of reservoir in this list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is a simple step to do. So we are done with this step. That is step number 5. So we have completed 5 steps of this assignment so far. So now we are going to do next step, that is step number 6. Step number 6 is use autofill to fill the range C11 up to J15 with the formatting from range C10 up to J10. So you can see that C10 up to J10 has a specific formatting. We are supposed to copy this formatting up to cell J15 here. So we will select C10 up to J10 and for this purpose to copy this formatting we will use fill handle. So drag the fill handle down up to cell J15. Now we are supposed to copy the formatting only. So we will go to the option and from here we will select fill formatting only. So we have copied the formatting from cell C10 up to J10 up to cell J15. So that is all about step number 6 of this assignment. So we have completed 6 steps of this assignment so far. And now we gonna do next step, that is step number 7. So step number 7 is in cell G10 create a formula that uses the average and round function to calculate the average of cells C10 up to F10 and round the result to 1 decimal places. Copy the formula you created to the range G11 up to G15. So first we will go to cell G10 and we are supposed to G10 here, and we are supposed to get the average of C10 up to F10. So here type average function will appear, double click on that. So we are going to get the average of these values C10 up to F10. Okay, as mentioned here as well. C10 up to F10, you can select this range or you can type this as well. So press enter. So we got the result. Now we are supposed to use round function here. So we will type round, double click on that, and here we will type comma 1 and this. So we are supposed to round this result to 1 decimal places. Then we are supposed to copy this formula down up to G15. So we got all the results. So now you can see that our results are exactly similar to the figure given 16.1, 35.6, 16.7. So our results are matching. So in this video I have solved 7 steps for you out of 12 steps. That means I have solved 70% of the assignment for you. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another useful solution. Thank you so much again.